Find the best buy. Give the unit price to the nearest thousandth for that size. We have processed cheese slices with the size in the left-hand column, the price in the right-hand column. 8 ounces is $2.99. 16 ounces is $3.99. 48 ounces is $14.69. To find the unit price, we divide the amount of dollars by the ounces. So we take $2.99 divide by 8 ounces. When we divide this, we get 0.37375 per ounce. When we round that off to the thousandth place, we get $0.374 per ounce, or in other words, 37.4 cents per ounce. Now we repeat the process for $3.99 and we get 16 ounces. That's equal to 0.24935 dollars per ounce, which we round off to the thousandths, and it's approximately equal to $0.249 per ounce, which again would be 24.9 cents per ounce. And finally, we take the $14.69 divided by the 48 ounces. That's going to be equal to 0.3060467 per ounce. Rounding that off to the thousandth, it's approximately equal to 0.3060 per ounce, and that's the same as 30.6 cents per ounce. So the best buy is this one, because when we compare the numbers, it's the smallest. That's 24.9 cents per ounce. That's the 16-ounce size. So the best buy is 16 ounces at 24.9 cents per ounce.